In today's video, I'll guide you how to search an article or a content in Chatgpt and how you can copy and paste in your MS Word documents. So first I will write an article about health. Now ChatGPT will start to write article on health in a comprehensive way. It is going to write in full-fledged manner. Okay, it has generated whole text. You can see this is the whole text. Now I want to copy this text in MS Word. Let's have a look. I wanted to copy. I will select first and then I will copy whole text in MS Word. When I will copy here, Control plus V, you can see black or a light shade is becoming in the background of the text. So you can't edit your background. But you will do that and how you can remove your background, your text background. So it is quite easy. I will first delete all this text, Control A and then I'll press delete. Now I will come in Notepad. I will copy whole data in Notepad, Control V. Okay. Now Control A and then I will click on any text, cut, and then I will paste whole data in MS Word. Now you can see the whole article comes without background text. So this is the easy way. If you find this is a good technique, please like my video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you very much.